For the little
Thank you, Ja.
even money make me happy like the sun on the beach.
Hey.
Oh, we feeling sweet underneath my feet.
Yes.
Grounding daily, I am rooting like a tree. Nothing no sweet like mama cooking. Feed my spirit needs. My heart yearns to live. Please put my mind.
That's the bird's eye effect.
What? Real quick. She's like, oh, that's my song on the radio.
I give praise.
I give praise
To the Most High.
I give praises to the Most High. When I rise in the morning light, I give praises to the Most
I
High.
give praise.
Praises.
I give praise. Thanks and praise.
Praises.
Even on my dark days.
I give praises.
I give praise.
Praises. Even on my darkest days, I give
I
praises.
give praise.
Praises. I give praises. Even on my darkest days.
This is called devotion service.
Praises. I give praises.
Give thanks to the Most High.
I
We ain't ashamed to call your name.
Ja!
Rastafari.
I give praises.
Thanks and praise.
Jehovah.
I give praises. When I rise in the morning light, I give praises. Most High, I give praises. When I rise in
What makes someone pack up and decide to go to Jamaica for months?
God. There's a feeling in your spirit, and when you get it, prior to the feeling, there's been a longing, and there's been a reaching.
reaching.
And one thing about God, whatever you want to call he, she, they, or it, they are always there.
I say, oh Lord.
And they see you clearly. This is what I know for sure. And the reason why I know, because they'll give you something that you never asked me.
Hey!
Okay? They'll answer questions that you ain't never spoke out loud. Okay?
Praises to the Most High.
So yeah. Yeah. Visualization. Many years. You know? Just wanted to be away for a little while for myself. Wanted to be in an environment that I didn't feel like was suffocating me on purpose. The desire to breathe some fresh air. The desire to allow my body to take a break from having to constantly be in fight or flight mode. Constantly be on defense of something. Take your vitamins, drink your juice, move your body. But I'm sad. I don't want to get out of bed. I don't gotta get out of bed. But it's a whisper in your spirit say it's something better somewhere. And this is just a phase, baby. Cause that cocoon, that butterfly, you get in that cocoon, be like, what is this? Is this dark in here? It might be too hot, it might be too cold. I can't move, Lord. What is happening? Okay? So let's not even talk about the chemical things that happens. Let's not talk about how your body changes as you accumulate years on this earth. Because even if you're a light being, if you on earth, stuff change. There's an expiration date
Hello.
on these avatars. Okay? I'm just saying. I was just sharing with my sister last night, because I'm such a galactical space cadet from Venus, never really paid much attention to chronological, accumulation of years. What's an age? I'm infinite, Rasta no born, Rasta no die, they dropped me out from Venus, but baby, woke up one day and like, oh, what's that? Well, how long you been on Earth? Oh, well, that's what happened. Okay, then.
For just a moment.
Yeah, and then you realize you really don't got time to be doing stuff that you don't want to do.
Hello.
You really don't have time to not meditate. You really don't have time to not follow your bliss. That is, if you want to leave a legacy of love and light. If you don't care, then do whatever you want. Work until you die, But if you care about God, then you first and you most. You take care of you first and you take care of you most. That way, everything you touch will be nice. Even on the opposite side. Now, if you put everybody else and everything else first, and you deplete yourself, everything you touch will be depleted in some way. It might look good on the outside. People may benefit from it, but at the root and the core, it's going to dig at their soul and it's going to dig at your soul because it ain't in alignment. When you put you first and you most, you put in God first and God first and God most. Because see, it's a piece of that energy in all of us, no matter who you are. You could be the most exalted or what they call the scum of the earth. You still got a piece of the Most High.
Amen.
You decide what to do with it. Okay? You decide. And when you decide to put you first and put you most, you put in God first and most. Because the closest that you can get to God is yourself. The closest you can get to God is yourself. Come on. Look yourself in the mirror. See that gleam in your eye. If you got breath in your body, the spirit is moving. That's God. So when you honor yourself, you honor God. Come on now. Ha. When you honor yourself, you honor God. And then you meet your divine reflections. You look in the face of yourself like, oh damn, I look good. Is that what I'm out here in the world looking like? What? Is that what I'm in the world sounding like? Ooh, shock. But let me tell you this. If you find yourself always in some shit, if you find yourself always being combative, if you find yourself always in defense mode, baby, you doing that to yourself. You your own devil. Ain't nobody doing nothing to you. We always meet ourselves. So if you continuously feeling sad, if you continuously feeling low, check yourself. Check your surroundings. Check your environment. And if you really want to change, do it. Leave. Stop. Whatever you're doing, do something different. If you feel like you can't stop what you're doing, that's fine too. Just do some other shit. Do something different. And then after a while, that other shit will start to phase out. It's all about
make that change.
Make that change. Change your mind, change your life. Shit is not rocket science, but it is science. And it's simple. It might not be easy, but it's simple. Change your mind, change your life. Honor yourself. Honor God by honoring yourself. Honor your loved ones by honoring yourself. Show up for yourself, being the best that you can be, and watch your surroundings. Somebody nagging you, aggravating, irritating, change yourself, shift your energy, and watch your environment shift. Because check this out. One thing I do know for sure is when you vibrate on a certain frequency, the only things around you can be on that frequency. So if it's something that ain't on the frequency that you is, trust me, it will fall away to the nothing. You can't be around here, shawty. Ain't no room for you. I take up all the room with this love and light shit. So if you ain't on it, and don't get me wrong, we got shadows. You can't get to the light unless you go through the shadows.
Boom, 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 boom,
okay?
boom.